So good morning, guys. I hope everyone is fine. And sorry for this t-shirt and all. I have come to my native place, and all my clothes. I'm in like home quarantine. So everything is a kind of under scanner. So I have like let everything in a separate place. And I think from tomorrow I'll get my clothes and all. So from tomorrow I'll wear a proper shirt and all. So sorry for this goal level t-shirt. Anyway, let us start our class, guys. Very few of you have joined the class. Only 77, 78 of you have joined. Anyway, chalo, let me start the class. It's already 10:47. Video can't be seen. Let me spotlight my video here. Yeah, I think. No, Ritvika, आज chemistry class नहीं है. Okay, guys. Get me an answer for this question. चलो बच्चा लोग जल्दी से आंसर करो. Try your best. Give me the best. ठीक है? Correct answer बताना. Even if you get wrong answer, it doesn't matter. Just your attempt matters only. Your honest attempt will matter. Other things are immaterial here. So please attempt it properly. Give your 100% and get me an answer for this. Kirtan, तुमने you have asked a doubt on WhatsApp. I'll check it, बच्चा. मैं तुमसे बात करता हूँ क्लास के बाद. Right? When did you send the doubt, बच्चा? Kirtan? Okay, Kirtan has answered for this also. X is equal to 1 by 1 minus t. All right, देखते हैं. So v as a function of x is given to you. Find the relation between x and t. Okay, Jhansi has answered 2. Bacha, how can you answer in terms of a numerical value? You have to find relation between x and t. If you're answering 2, that means you are saying that x will be 2 at all the time. 9th of July. Then I must have missed, because on 9th of July, I was flying from Mangalore to Patna. I might have missed that. Chali, Viswa has answered. Viswa has answered as minus 1 by x plus 1 is equal to t. I think Kirtan as Vishwa has got the same answer. अच्छा, how many of you consider this as a tough question? कितने लोगों को ये question tough लग रहा है? How many of you are considering this question as a tough question? अथर, देवदत्त, तो कुछ aliens हैं, तो blue hand सब लोगों ने raise किया है. Okay, ठीक है, देखते हैं. Don't worry, बिल्कुल tough नहीं है. See, v as a function of x is given to you. You have to find x as a function of t. See, I need to get some x and t here because I'm already having x term. Tell me, how do you write v? V कैसे लिखते हो? Instantaneous velocity. How do you write v? V is nothing but dx by dt. So can you write v is equal to dx by dt? And this v is equal to x square. All right? ठीक है? चलिए, तो dx by dt is equal to x square. So I'll get from here dx divided by x square is equal to dt. Now I have to do this. So dx by x square, so 1 by x square dx is equal to dt. So I got the relation in terms of differential forms. I have to get the value of x as a function of t. Tell me which operation we should do here. We should operate here. कौन सा operation करना चाहिए? Differentiation or integration? Because dx is very small, right? You have to get the value of x, right? So you have to integrate this here. So I'm going to integrate this here. Differentiate करोगे तो double हो जाएगा ना, और d के form में आ जाएगा. You have to integrate it. Dx is what? Very small. Integration मतलब adding, right? Or you take when you integrate this part, you'll get in terms of x and all. When you integrate the dt part, you'll get t, right? Next, and then which part? If you're saying how this is instantaneous velocity, if I ask you to find velocity at a time t or velocity at an x, तो instantaneously लिखेंगे ना? At a particular position, at a particular displacement, or at a particular time, that is instantaneous only. It doesn't mean anything but instantaneous velocity. ठीक है? Anyway, now tell me what are the limits of integration here? To the left hand side, the variable of integration is x. Like, right? The variable of integration is x. Tell me from which value of x, like how this x value will change. So I can see the value of x will depend on time. So at t is equal to 0, the value of x is 1. ध्यान से देखो. At equal to 0, the low is 0 here. So the lower limit of x will be 1. We have to find what is the value of x at time t. So I'll say, let us say time has become t. So the value of x has become x. ठीक है बच्चा लोग? No बच्चा नहीं दिया हुआ है, मानना assume, like you have to go for the basic sense. ठीक है? What is the actually like what is the intention of the examiner? पूछा क्या है? Which part, like what will you assume this बच्चा? नहीं कुछ दिया तो assume करना पड़ेगा ना, otherwise how can you solve this question? There are few things that you have to assume बच्चा. There are few things that you have to consider. Otherwise you will not be able to understand. You will not be able to solve this question at all. चलो बताइए जल्दी से. So here t and x, they are the variables. So if I integrate this part, I'll get x as a function of t. Tell me what will be the integration of 1 by x square. You must have studied this in basic mathematics. Janak sir must have taught to you, right? Tell me what will be the integration of 1 by x square. Come on guys, please answer this. What will be the integration of 1 by x square? X cube by 3. Are you sure? I don't think so. X cube by 3 तो नहीं होगा बच्चा. See, you must have studied this. Integration x to the power n dx, right? X to the power n dx. How do you integrate this? The integration of this will be written as x to the power n plus 1 divided by n to n plus 1. This is the integration of x to the power n dx. Can I write 1 by x square as x to the power minus 2? 1 by x square as x to the power minus 2. So I am getting n is equal to minus 2 here. So I can write this integration will be x to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Where limit is from 1 to x will be equal to integration of dt. Tell me bachalo, what will be the integration of dt? What will be the integration of dt? Only t. Because you can write t to the power 0 dt ka integration. And t to the power 0, if you integrate this, you'll get t to the power 0 plus 1 divided by 0 plus 1. So t only. So integration of dt will be t. What are the limits? Limits are 0 to t. Now put the limits here. Upper limit and minus lower limit. So now I'm having minus 1 by x. First, let me simplify this. Minus 1 by x is equal to t. Limit is from 1 to x. Put the limit here. So minus 1 by x minus of minus 1 by 1 is equal to t. So I will get 1 by x is equal to, see here, I am taking this part to the right hand side and I'm writing it here. एक side ले रहा हूँ. So 1 by x will be equal to, this t will come here. So what will happen? Minus minus plus. So I'll get 1 minus t. So the value of x can be written as 1 divided by 1 minus t. So this is the answer. So x as a function of time t is nothing but 1 divided by 1 minus small t. So this is the answer. Guys, click yes if you have understood this. But please revise basic differentiation and basic integration. Otherwise, in physics, struggle a lot. Please revise basic differentiation and basic integration. For like popular functions, algebraic functions, trigonometric functions, exponential functions, logarithmic functions. So for these things, you should be aware of the differentiation and integration. Guys, click yes if you have understood this. Bachalo, I need your responses here. Chalo, that's good. Which part, Nishchint? Which part you want to explain? You want me to explain again? Nishchit, which part? निश्चित, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर रिस्पॉन्स हियर. बताओ कौन सा पार्ट तुम्हें एक्सप्लेन करना है? लास्ट पार्ट, दिस वन. आई हैव जस्ट निश्चित, हैव यू अटेंडेड इंटीग्रेशन क्लासेस? निश्चित, आर यू अवेयर ऑफ this integration part? No, then that is why you are struggling here. See, these things are called as limits. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? लिमिट बोलते हैं. So you have to put the limit. First क्या put करते हैं? Upper limit, and then you have to put the lower limit. देखो, if you're having like this x and limits are given to you as 2 and 1. इसका meaning ऐसा है that put the upper limit instead of x, so 2 minus lower limit 1. This is the answer. If you're having x square and limits are, let's say, 2, 4, then put the value of x, the upper limit of x, 4 ka square, minus lower limit of x, 2 ka square. So this is the answer. So I've done the same thing here. All right. So please try to do it. Try to like use the same concept. Okay. Then Spurti, I think you'll struggle because we have already covered 3 classes in motion in 1D. So try. Otherwise, the missed part, whatever things that you have, that will be covered in a new batch. So a new batch will be started in a week and all. So the things that you have missed out, they'll be taught to you in that class. All right. Anyway, chaliye. Next question. Come on, guys. Try to get the answer for this one. If a is equal to 2x, a is what? Acceleration is equal to 2x. Acceleration is 2x. Initially, particle is at x is equal to 2 meter. Initially, particle is at x is equal to 2 meter. What is the meaning of initially? Initially का मतलब क्या है? When at t is equal to 0. That means at t is equal to 0, the value of x is 2 meter and is moving with 3 meter per second. So at t is equal to 0, the velocity is also 3 meter per second. Then find out v at x is equal to 5. Find out the value of velocity when the position will become 5 meters. जल्दी से आंसर करिए. Can I say if I need to get the value of v at some x, I should get a relation which should contain v and x. Simple सी बात है. If I ask you to find the value of y at x is equal to 5, what is the meaning of this? That means I'm asking you to find the value of y when x is 5. That means you should get the relation between y and x. If I give you y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1, then only this question is valid here. Find the value of y at x5. So put the value of x as 5, put the value of x as 5, and then get the value of y. So you can only get the value of y here at x is 5 when you get the relation between y and x. But in this question, this relation between v and x is not given to you directly, but some other data are given to you. That means you have to first get the relation or derive a relation between v and x. So indirectly question is find the relation between v and x and then put the value of x is equal to 5 meter and get the value of v. ठीक है? So first क्या है आपका solution में? Find relation between v and x. ठीक है बच्चा लोग? तो फाइंड रिलेशन बिटवीन v एंड x फर्स्ट, वो निकाल के फिर आपको आंसर मिलेगा. चलो जल्दी से आंसर करो. तो कीर्तन हैज आंसर्ड स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 51 मीटर पर सेकंड. वन ऑफ यू हैव आंसर्ड. बाकी लोग. तारक दत्ता हैज आंसर्ड रिलेशन एज x स्क्वायर t के फॉर्म में क्यों ला रहा है बच्चा? Try to get the relation in terms of v and x only. Try to get the relation between v and x only. Don't try to incorporate t in the relation. Otherwise, it will become complicated. Ajim, I couldn't understand your answer. Vishwa has answered v is equal to x square plus 2. It is average velocity. Which average velocity? No average velocity, bacha. Yash has given v is equal to x square by 2. All right. See, what is the given data first? आप ये देख लो. It is given to you a is equal to 2x. I have to get relation from this part. I have to introduce a as, or I should get a in terms of v and x, or in terms of v. Tell me what is the value of v or a, acceleration. पहले ये बताइए, what is acceleration? Instantaneous acceleration क्या होता है? dv by dt, right? अच्छा, but we have to convert v in term v, and we have to get a relation with v and x. But I have got a as dv by dt, that means v and t. Can I multiply dx and divide dx here? Guys, can I do it? Let me know. Can I multiply dx in the numerator and divide dx in the denominator? Right? We can do this, right? Chaliye. If I rearrange this part and write in this form, that dx divided by dt into dv by dx. Did I do anything wrong? कुछ गलत किया क्या मैंने? कुछ नहीं गलत किया, right? Tell me what is this dx by dt? What is this dx by dt? बताइए बच्चा लोग. Yes, that is nothing but v. So can I say I can write acceleration as v into dv by dx also? We have studied a is equal to dv by dt. Now we have studied a can also be written as v into dv by dx. So can I replace this acceleration a as v into dv by dx? And I'll equate this with 2x. Now I'm having a relation where only v and x is there. ठीक है? Now try to get the value of v in terms of x. How will I get it? So v dv can be written as 2x dx. Again, the relation in differential form is known to us. I have to get the value of v as a function of x. That means I have to integrate it here. I have to integrate it here. Tell me, what is the value of v? Or tell me what are the limits that we should put here. For that, extra statement has been given to you. Initially, particle is at x is equal to 2 meter. That means at t is equal to 0, the particle is at x is equal to 2 meter and moving with 3 meter per second. That means when x is 2 meter, time is 0 and velocity is 3 meter per second. So I can write when x is 2 meter, velocity is 3 meter. What will be the value of velocity when x will be 5? So you can put the value of x as 5 where you'll get the velocity v. But now I have asked you find the relation between v and x first. Okay? Let me write this as when x has become x, velocity has become v. So what will be the relation between v and x? Find out kariye bachcha log. Tell me what will be the integration of v dv. Come on guys, give me an answer. What will be the integration of v dv? V? No, illa. Bacha, please look at the question carefully. Give me the answer correctly. What is the integration of v dv? If it would have been only dv, then integration will be v. But here v dv. What will be the integration of v dv? No, Vishwa, please गलत है. तनिष्क correct है. रितिका गलत है बच्चा. गौरव correct. यश गलत है. बहुत आसान है बच्चा लोग. देखो, x to the power n dx. If you have to integrate this part, you have to write x to the power n is what? N, the power plus 1, add 1 to the power divided by n plus 1. Here you have to integrate v dv. Can I write v dv as v to the power 1 dv ka integration? So here n is 1, so I'll write v to the power n plus 1, 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. कितना मिला? V square divided by 2. So integral v dv is nothing but v square divided by 2. And what are the limits? 3 to v is equal to. Now 2 is a constant, I can take it out. Integration of x dx. Tell me what will be the integration of x dx. Just now we have done this. Tell me what will be the integration of x dx. Come on guys, please respond. Yes, Vishwa, correct hai. X square by 2. Here I can say that the n value for this is what? 1. X to the power 1 dx. Integral x to the power 1 dx will be written as x to the power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, x square by 2. So 2 into x square by 2. Can I say this 2 and 2 will get cancelled? What are the limits, guys? It is from 2 to x. Now put the limits. So upper limit कितना है? v. So v square minus lower limit 3 square divided by 2 is equal to x square. Upper limit is x, so x square minus lower limit is 2, so 2 square. So I'm having v square minus 9 is equal to 2x square minus 4 into 4. Sorry, into 2. That means 8. So v square is equal to 2x square plus 1. Guys, did you understand the relation between v and x? Click yes if you have understood it. Otherwise, let me know if you have any doubt in this one. Guys, if you understood this, click yes. Otherwise, let me know if you have any doubt in this solution. Please जल्दी से बताओ अगर कोई doubt है तो. I'll wait for your responses. Guys, let me know if you have any doubt. Akshay, what is your doubt? अच्छा, yes क्या? Okay, ठीक है. If you have any doubt, please write that in the chat. क्या doubt है? I'll try to clear it. Yeah, 2x square. ठीक है? Okay, Ritika, you're answering. ठीक है, good. चलिए. So now tell me what will be the value of velocity at x is equal to 5 meter. So v square is equal to 2 into 5 square plus 1, 51. So v is equal to root 51 meter per second. ठीक है बच्चा लोग? So this is the answer for this question. And very good Ritika and Tarak Datta. And I think Kirtan has answered it already. Very good बच्चा. चलिए अगला सवाल. Get me an answer for this one. Come on guys, answer this. Sujal, क्या हुआ? Rarest cases, Ritvika, I didn't understand your question. Rarest case का मतलब क्या है? A as a function of v is given to you at time t is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, v is equal to 1. Find out velocity at t is equal to 2 seconds. Find out velocity at x is equal to 3 meter. तो दो questions हैं. There are two questions. Ritvika, please clarify इसका meaning क्या? I couldn't understand. Can we get velocity? अच्छा, negative. In rarest का meaning क्या? I couldn't understand this rarest case. You can get velocity negative, no problem. There is no any problem in getting velocity as negative. You can get velocity as negative. That negative sign will only specify the direction. That the direction which you have assumed as positive, उसका उल्टा. Yes, Sujal? Yeah. बच्चा Ritvika, like in space का मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Anywhere you can get the negative. Now see, if I am assuming that upward direction is positive, then whenever a particle is moving in downward direction, I will say the velocity is negative. ठीक है? Or if I consider rightward direction is positive, so whenever any particle which will move in leftward direction, I will say that particle is having a negative velocity. That is the meaning of negative velocity. Other than that, कोई उसका अलग meaning नहीं है. ठीक है? When to, like, Nishchit, what do you ask? That has been already taught. If you can refer those videos on YouTube, please ask Shobha ma'am for mathematics class videos. Take a mathematics live class videos. You'll get that link. In that link, you can go through the basic mathematics part. And Janak sir has already taught these integrations and all. Don't wait for that day to come when you'll be taught this again. ठीक है, try to revise these things right now only because you have already lost 1 or 2 months, right? Sujal, I think then एक बनेगा तो उसमें like you'll be asked to attend those classes. But for the time being, please wait for the official notification to come. ठीक है, wait for the official notification whether new batch will be formed or not. ठीक है, or something will be done or not. We are thinking of doing that. Let us wait for an official notification. Don't speculate and all. I'm just telling you just so that you should be comfortable. You should not think as I have started, like I have attended this class right now, 3 chapters are over and all. ठीक है, so don't think about those things. We'll cover all those things. But so for the time being, when that will happen, you should be ready, right? So we are actually allowing you to attend this class also, reason you should not actually waste your time. Yeah, Aditya, it was, but Nishikant sir has some kind of emergency thing at his home, so he has to go to his home, so he couldn't take the class. All right. और कीर्तन has answered. कीर्तन ने आंसर किया है, फिर विश्वा ने आंसर किया है. कीर्तन तुमने 3 बार आंसर किया एक ही आंसर को. चलो चलो जल्दी से आंसर करो. Please try to attempt this question. All right. Now let me solve this for you. ठीक है, मैं solve करता हूँ. A as a function of v is given to you. At t is equal to 0, what is the value of x? What is the value of v? That is also given to you. You have to find what is the velocity at t is equal to 2 seconds. That means you should get v as a function of t. If you will get the relation between velocity and time, you will put the value of time as 2, you will get the value of v. चलिए तो निकालते हैं. Solution for this. Tell me, how can I convert a in terms of v and t? Can I write a is equal to dv by dt? And this dv by dt is nothing but v. So I can write this as dv divided by v is equal to dt. Now I have to get relation between velocity and time. So I have to integrate it here. Now at t is equal to 0, tell me what is the velocity? That is 1. At t is equal to, let's say, time t, what is the velocity? Let's call that as v. Tell me what is integration of 1 by x dx? Tell me what, chalo. This is an exception to x to the power n dx. Don't say that x to the power minus 1 plus 1 divided by minus 1 plus 1. That means infinity. नहीं, गलत होता है. Integration of 1 by x dx. क्या होता है बच्चा? Log x base e. What is integration of 1 by x? Ritvika, you have attended integration class. You are not allowed to commit such mistakes. Ritvika, you have already attended this. Please, such mistake. This is not differentiation. This is integration. Okay. So integral 1 by x dx will have a value log x base e, or you can say that ln x. All right. Okay. ln v. Limits कहां से कहां बच्चा लोग? From 1 to v will be equal to integration of dt will be t. Limits are from 0 to t. Now put the values. So ln v minus ln 1 is equal to t. Guys, did you understand this part? Guys, did you understand this part? Basan Goda, you will get proper scolding from me one day if you're going to ask this kind of question during my class. Please don't ask this kind of question when board examination result will come, or when the college school will open, or when CBSE result will come, when ICSE result will come. During class, you should not be asking these things. After class, before class, if you'll ask, and if I know the answer, I'll be more than happy to post. During class, you should not. Guys, this part, click yes if you have understood this. पूजा, आप लोगों ने लॉग नहीं पढ़ा है क्या मैथ्स में? लॉग x बेस e is called as ln x also. ठीक है? If you are writing log log 10 base e, it is called as ln 10 also. That is what I have written. ये जो भी है ना, जिसको भी प्रॉब्लम है, प्लीज राइट द आंसर, राइट योर डाउट इन द चैट. If you have any doubt, please write your doubt in the chat. Rajat, what is your doubt? Rajat Mohri, what is your doubt? Ritvika, that is why you need a lot of practice for that. If you are getting confused with integration and differentiation, तो मुश्किल होगा. What is log? Ritu, what is this? Like, how can you ask this? What is log? Logarithm नहीं पढ़ा है क्या? Ritu, what is this, बच्चा? You have not studied logarithm क्या? What is log? अरे बच्चा, oh, that means you are new. It must be first or third class for you. Anyway, so थोड़ा देख लेना, ठीक है? रिवाइज कर लो. बच्चा, मैंने सिर्फ लिमिट पुट किया इधर, ठीक है? Those who have not studied integration, please revise that or wait for the time to come. You just understand these things. Integration वाला part आप छोड़ दो अगर आपने नहीं पढ़ा है तो, ठीक है? Okay, all right. Now get the answer for velocity v. So I can write, what is the value of ln1? Guys, what is the value of ln1? अच्छा, t is equal to 2 second था क्या? चलेगा, no problem. Tell me guys, what is the value of ln1? Are you sure? Yes, it is 0. Very good. So I can write ln v minus 0 is equal to t. Now I am getting log or ln v is equal to t. How will you get v velocity? V as, so I have to take anti-log on both the sides. ठीक है, क्या लेंगे? Taking दोनों तरफ एंटी लॉग ले लो. कैसे लोगे? आई कैन राइट v इज इक्वल टू वॉट एवर थिंग्स दैट यू आर हैविंग हियर. v इज इक्वल टू e टू द पावर, क्या यहाँ पे t है ना, e टू द पावर t. ठीक है? सी इफ यू आर हैविंग ln x e is equal to y, you can write this e to the power, you can write this as x is equal to e to the power y. X is equal to e to the power y. This is the antilog. So v is equal to e to the power t. Now put the value of t as 2, e to the power 2. So these many meter per second. ये हो गया इसका आंसर. ठीक है बच्चा लोग, आई थिंक किसी का तो आंसर आया था. कीर्तन हैज गिवन द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ लेट अस गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इसमें सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस, find out velocity at x is equal to 3 meter. Find out the velocity at x is equal to 3 meter. A is equal to v. Find velocity at x is equal to कितना मीटर बच्चा लोग? 3 meters. चलिए कैसे निकालेंगे? So we have to get relation between velocity and x. I'm getting velocity here. I have to convert a in terms of v and x. How will I do it? So we know that acceleration can also be written as v dv by dx. V dv by dx will be equal to v. So now I can write this part as v dv divided by v is equal to dx. देखो v और v क्या हो जाएगा? Cancel. Alright guys. So I'm getting here dv is equal to dx. Integrate this. Tell me what are the limits here. So at t is equal to 0, what was the value of x? 1. And what is the value of v? 1. So at x is equal to 1 meter, velocity is 1 meter per second. So at x is equal to 1 meter, the velocity is 1 meter per second. At some value x, the velocity is, let's say v. Now integrate this. Integration of dv will be v. Limits are from 1 to v is equal to integration of dx is x. Limit is from 1 to x. Put the value. So v minus 1 is equal to x minus 1. तो v is equal to x. What is the value of x, bacha? When do we need to find the value of v? We need to get the value of v as at x is equal to 3 meter. So put the value of 3. Guys, click yes if you have understood this basic integration. Guys, click yes if you have understood this. Correct, Tarak Datta. Correct, Ritika. Very good. Ritvika, very good. तो ये इसका आंसर हुआ. All right. चलिए, now let us move on to next question. Try to get the answer for this one. Acceleration as a function of time t is given to you. You have to find out displacement of the particle at t is equal to 3 seconds. Come on guys, answer this. बहुत ही आसान सवाल है. Guys, I am going to ask you a very simple question. Please answer this honestly. How many of you have revised differentiation and integration? Basic differentiation and integration. Those who have already studied. Those who have not studied, it's okay. Click yes if you have revised basic differentiation and integration. Only 8, 9. See, I'm telling you, bacha, if you don't concentrate on the basic mathematics, the things that have been taught by Janak sir and few of the things that have been taught by me, if you don't revise those things, if you don't concentrate enough on those things, I'm telling you, you will always struggle in physics. Always means always. After every 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 15 minutes, you will say, sir, I have not understand this. I didn't understand this. And the moment that will not be the conceptual, those things will not be the conceptual part. You will struggle in the calculation. You will struggle in the mathematical part. And that will be the worst thing to face. I'm telling you. You know how to solve this. You know the concept, but you can't go ahead. You can't proceed further because you don't know the basic mathematics. So I urge you that please go and revise differentiation and integration. When you are coming for the next class, please come with a revision for basic differentiation and integration. Without them, you cannot imagine physics. I'm telling you, you cannot imagine physics. 70% of the physics, 50% of the physics, more than 50%. That depends. Don't know them, you are gone. No one can help. चलिए इसको आंसर करिए. So I've got answer from Kirtan, Tarak Datta. I can say pakka ke Kirtan and Tarak Datta has revised these things because they are continuously answering some of the questions. Kirtan has given all the answers, I think, and he has given all the answers correct only. I don't know what is the answer for this one. Let us say Tarak Datta has given this answer as 14.5. Kirtan has answered 20.5. Yash has also answered. Thank you, bachcha. Very good. Yes, तापड़े. बाकी लोग जल्दी आंसर करो. Okay, Shreya has answered, but तेरा अलग answer है. 3.5. Ritvika has answered. Ritvika, you are from Dharwad, right? Ritvika has answered, but उसका भी अलग answer है. Yes, 20.5. Tanmay 20.3. Shreya 3.5. Ritvika 16.5. Vishwa has answered 20.5. Okay, Harshvardhan has answered 20.5. Rajat has also answered 20.56. Harsha 20.8. चलो मैं आंसर करता हूं, ठीक है? ध्यान से देखना. See, you have to find this displacement of the particle at t is equal to 3 seconds. First of all, you should understand displacement मतलब कहां से? Which is the initial point here? What was the initial position? बच्चा लोग बताइए जल्दी से. What was the initial position? Guys, please answer this. What was the initial position? 1 meter, right? So find the position at t is equal to 3 seconds and take the difference. ठीक है? Displacement क्या होगा? Let me write this. Displacement will be equal to position at t is equal to 3 seconds minus position at t is equal to 1 second. So this will be the displacement. All right. चलिए find out करते हैं. We know position at t is equal to 3 seconds. I have to find what is the position at t is equal to 1 second. How will I get it? Sorry, I know this. Sorry, extremely sorry. I know this. I have to get the value of this one. How will I get this? For that, I should get the relation between x and t. I should get relation between x and t. कैसे मिलेगा? So I have to look in the question. Do we have some relation to make? Yeah, we do have. What is that? A is equal to, it is given to us as A is equal to 2t plus 1. Tell me, do we know any relation between A and x? Tell me, bachcha log, do we know any relation between A and x? Normally we don't know, right? But can I write A is equal to dv by dt? And this dv by dt can be written as 2t plus 1. लिख सकते हैं ना हम लोग? Guys, let me know if you understood this. I know this dv by dt, right? If I know this dv by dt, can I say I will get to know x as a function of t also, or x, the relation between x and t also, if I know what is the v value. So first let us define what is v as a function of x. I'm going step by step. So let us find what is v as a function of t. So dv can be written as 2t plus 1 into dt. Now integrate this part. So at t is equal to 0, what was the velocity? 2 meter. Let us say at time t, the velocity is v. I'm going to find the general velocity. So let us say at time t, velocity has become v. Integration of dv is nothing but v only. Limits are from 0 to v, not 0. I think I missed writing that. That is 2 here. So from 2 to v. From 2 to v. So 2 likha is equal to. Now tell me, what will be the integration of 2t plus 1? So I can write like this. Integration 2t dt. For your simplification, for your convenience, I'm writing this 1 into dt. Limit is from 0 to t, 0 to t. Integration of 2t can be written as, I can take 2 as out. Integration of t is t square divided by 2. Limit will be from 0 to t plus. Integration of dt is t and limit is from 0 to t. If I put the limit in left hand side, I'll get v minus 2. So v minus 2 is equal to 2t square by 2. ठीक है, यहाँ 2 cancel हो जाएगा. I will get v minus 2 is equal to t square minus 0 plus t minus 0. So final answer is v is equal to t square plus t plus 2. I got a relation between velocity and time. But is it the case? Is it the final step? No. I have to get a relation between x and t. How will I get a relation between x and t? If I know a relation between v and t, I can always write this velocity as dx by dt. And this dx by dt can be written as v, and this v is written as t square plus t plus 2. So now I can get the value of dx is equal to t square plus t plus 2 into dt. Now I will get the relation between x and t. So for that, I have to integrate this again. Integrate this. What is the limit? Time t is 0. When time t is 0, x is 1. Put the value 1. T, let us say the value of x has become x, some value x. Integration of dx will be x. And limit of integration will be from 1 to x. Will be equal to. Now integration of t square plus t plus 2. Integration of t square dt, integration plus integration of t dt plus integration of 2 dt. Limits 0 to t, 0 to t, 0 to t. Integration of t square, tell me guys, what is the integration of t square? Bachcha log, please answer. What is the integration of t square? Guys, waiting for your responses. Tell me, what is the integration of t square? It is t cube divided by 3. All right. T cube divided by 3. 0 to t plus integration of t square by 2. Very good, guys. 0 to t plus integration of dt. So 2 will be taken out. Integration of dt will be t only. Very good. Now put the limits. So t cube by 3 plus t square by 2. If you put 0, 0, 0 हो जाएगा ना, plus 2t. This is the value of x minus 1. So I'm going to get x is equal to t cube by 3 plus t square by 2 plus 2t plus 1. Tell me, when do we have to get the value of x? Question देखो. So at t is equal to 3 seconds, what is the value of x? At t is equal to 3 seconds, the value of x. So 3 cube divided by 3 plus 3 square divided by 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 1. ठीक है बच्चा लोग? So 9 plus 9 by 2 plus 6 plus 1. Solve करिए. 2, 18 plus 9 plus 12 plus 1. So what is the answer? 18 plus 9 is 27. 27 plus 22. See, 18 plus 9 is 27. 27 plus 12. कितना मिले बच्चा? 27 plus 12. यहाँ 2 हो जाएगा. It will not be 1. 39, right? 39 plus 2 is 41. 41 by 2 is nothing but 20.5 meters. This is the answer. Guys, click yes if you have understood this. I know this is thoda lamba, है ना? We have taken 2 to 3 pages. We have to integrate twice. But this kind of question can be asked to you. Don't think ye lamba hai, this will not be asked. All right. So this question can be asked to you. So try to do it on your own right now. फिर से अपने पेज पे on your notebook, please try to redo it again right now. And let me know if you have any doubt. I'm giving you 2 to 3 minutes time right now. Try to do the same thing as I have done here. And try to get the correct answer, exact the same answer. Consider this as a revision for you. Guys, please try to answer it. Yes, Atharv, final position is 20.5. No Nishchit, not every time. Every time you don't have to integrate. It depends what is the relation that you're having. I think my laptop say log out ho chuka hu. Wait for a minute. You can see me now. Guys, are you solving that? Are you attempting that question again? Guys, please do that. Otherwise, you will never understand. Guys, please write your doubt in the host account. Please type your doubt in the host account. Okay, using host account, so that I can see them clearly on my laptop only. Okay. Guys, click yes if you have attempted that already. Please click yes if you have attempted that question. And you have got the relation between x and t. Aram se. Yes, Athar, correct. चलिए देखिए. So I have got the position at t is equal to 3 seconds. So what will be the displacement, bachcha log? So displacement will be equal to 20.5 minus. What was the position at t is equal to 0? That is 1. All right, that is 1. So minus 1. Acha, one more type of question can be asked to in the same format. They will ask you, what is the displacement of the particle from origin? Then what will be the answer? If in the same question I ask you, what is the displacement of the particle from the origin? Then what will be the answer? then your answer will be 20.5 only. If I specify this displacement of the particle from origin, then the value of x will be the displacement only, right? So what is the distance of the particle from the origin? That is 20.5. But since they have asked what is the displacement of the particle, that means what is the initial position? So initially the particle was at 1 meter. What is the final position? 20.5, right? So the displacement will be final position minus initial position. So 20.5 minus 1 will be the correct answer. All right, guys. I hope you have understood this. Okay, ठीक है. So और question था क्या? No. Now let us study few theoretical concepts. ठीक है, थोड़ा theory पढ़ाता हूं मैं. चलिए. So you have understood what is acceleration, instantaneous acceleration, what is instantaneous velocity, right? Tell me what is the meaning of this part, dv by dt cum modulus. Tell me what is the meaning of this part. चलो बच्चों जल्दी बताओ. No, Tarak. If at time t is equal to 0 is not given to you, you cannot solve this question. If the data at time t is equal to 0 is not given to you, Tarak, then you cannot get the answer. You cannot solve this question at all. Chaliye, so I have got the answer for this. Magnitude of A, acceleration magnitude of A, magnitude of acceleration, positive acceleration. No. Positive acceleration nahi rahe. Output is always positive. No. If you're talking about modulus of a vector, then yeah, value will always be positive. That is sure. That is true. Because modulus means magnitude, and magnitude of a vector is always positive. That is true. No problem. Tell me in terms of physical quantities. Achha, at the same time, if I ask you this, d by dt of modulus v, tell me what are the meanings of these two. Isme kya? First one is what and second is what? What is the first one? What does the first statement, this part signify, and what does this signify? Are they same or they different thing? बहुत important point है. Are they same or they are different? Ritvika is saying they are same. Swati is also saying they are same. Kirtan is saying different. Pooja is saying different. Atharv same. Positive derivation of V. क्या बोल रहे हो झांसी? Tarak Dutta different. Sanjana different. Yes, different. Vishwa is saying different but don't know how. क्या भगवान ने बोला जा बेटा जा different बोल दे? How did you get this? If you don't know how, then how did you get this that they are different? Okay. Ritika is saying different. Harshvardhan different. Actually, they are different. Simple सी बात है देखो. Modulus of this is nothing but magnitude of this part. If I write modulus of A, इसका meaning क्या है? Magnitude of vector है. तो जिसका modulus लगा उसका magnitude, I will say this is nothing but magnitude of dv by dt, or you can say magnitude of what is dv by dt? That is acceleration. That is acceleration. ठीक है भाई चलो. अच्छा, वेरी गुड कीर्तन, वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप, बहुत बढ़िया. मोगैम्बो बहुत खुश हुआ. चलिए इसमें बताइए क्या है. कैन आई से दैट आई हैव टू दिस मीन d by dt of magnitude of velocity. ये क्या है? d by dt of magnitude of velocity. इसका मीनिंग क्या? What is magnitude of velocity? That means instantaneous speed. Magnitude of velocity is what? Instantaneous speed. At each and every time, if you are going to find the magnitude, तो इसका मतलब क्या? Instantaneous speed. So I can say this, that this is nothing but rate of d by dt का meaning क्या है बच्चा लोग? If you have studied differentiation, what is meaning of d by dt? If I write d by dx of y. That means rate of change of y with respect to x. If I write dy by dt, that means rate of change of y with respect to t. If I write dx by dt, that means rate of change of x with respect to t. So similarly, I can write this as d by dt of magnitude of velocity means rate of change of magnitude of velocity. Tell me, rate of change of magnitude of velocity and rate of change of velocity, are they same? What is acceleration? Acceleration is rate of change of velocity. But do we have a definition of acceleration as rate of change of magnitude of velocity? Illa. That is why they are not same. They are different thing. They're exactly different. So if you're writing in this way, that means magnitude of acceleration. If you're writing this way, it is not acceleration, but only the change of rate of change of magnitude of velocity. All right, guys. So please remember this. This is very, very tricky. In some of the book, you might find a question like this. And I think in Arihant, you'll get this relation. Nothing. कुछ नहीं बोलते हैं उसको. Ritvika, कुछ नहीं बोलते हैं. No any physical quantity is defined for this. ठीक है. Rate of change of price of an iPhone. What do you say that? Nothing, right? Rate of change of price of a tomato. What do you say that? Nothing. If it will have any physical significance, I'll name it. Or the physicist or the scientist will name it. It does not have any physical significance. That is why we have not named it anything. And that is why we don't study this as a separate entity. This is simple. If somebody asks you, you can get the answer for this. All right, bacha. So please remember this. This is very, very important. All right. अच्छा, एक और question पूछता हूँ. If acceleration is 2 meter per second square, ठीक है? Or let me write this. Time interval, यहाँ लिखूंगा time interval 0 to 2 second, or let me call t1. 0 to t1. I will write acceleration here. See, I need you guys to be very, very clear in these concepts. They are very, very basic things. All right. Acceleration is, let's say, 2 meter per second square, or let me call 4 meter per second square. Velocity is in positive direction. Velocity is in positive direction. T1 to T2. ठीक है? Acceleration is 2 meter per second square. Velocity is positive. Case 3. T2 to T3. Acceleration is minus 2 meter per second square. ठीक है? And velocity is in positive direction. Now, T3 to T4. Acceleration is minus 4 meter per second square. Still, velocity is in positive direction. So this is case 1. Guys, please have patience. This will clear so many misconceptions of yours. Case 3. Case 4. You have to find change in speed in all the cases. That means find what will happen to the speed in all the cases. First case, speed will increase or decrease? Please answer. Case 1, speed will increase or it will decrease? Here, from 0 to T1, speed is increasing or it is decreasing? Come on, बच्चा लोग, जल्दी से आंसर करो. Increases. Very good. Why? Reason क्या है? Both of them are having same sign. Both of them are having same sign. If the sign of acceleration and sign of velocity if they are same, they're having the same sign, we say that speed is what? Increasing. So speed increases. Acha, tell me, case 2 bacha, speed increases or decreases? Case 2 increases or decreases? It will also increase. Here also. Acha, few of you have a kind of notion in your head. You follow a convention sometime. Kya karte ho? Sir, this is 4, this is 2, sir, this is less, so speed will decrease. Does that mean that speed will decrease because this is less than this? Since acceleration in case 2 is less than acceleration in case 1, does that mean that velocity or the speed will decrease in case 2? Because I have seen so many guys doing this. When you'll be given some question, and if I give you that acceleration A1, or let's say this is A1, this is A2. If I say A2 is less than A1, you will say speed in second case is decreasing. No, that doesn't mean that. The only thing is, or the only thing that you can mean here is, you can say that the rate of increase is less, but still speed is increasing. In this case, I can say in 1 second, the speed has been increased by 4 meters per second. In first case, you can write that speed is increasing, but at the rate of 4 meters per second. But in second case, you can say that speed is still increasing, but at the rate of only 2 meters per second. So if you're having speed like this, 10, in 1 more second, after 1 second, you'll get 12. After 1 second, 14. After 1 second, 16. Here, if you're having speed 10, after 1 second, you'll get 14. After 1 second, you'll get 18. After again 1 second, you'll get 22. Tell me, speed is increasing or decreasing? In both the cases, increasing, but the rate of increase is less here. That is why acceleration is less here. And that is what we call acceleration, the rate of change of speed. If the rate of change of speed is less, acceleration is less. Guys, click yes if you have understood this. Bachalo, click yes if you have understood this. Very good. चलिए आगे बात करते हैं. केस 3 बताओ चलो, what will happen in case 3? The sign of acceleration and velocity. Sign of acceleration is negative, sign of velocity is positive. They're different signs, so speed will decrease. Speed decreases. Case 4, guys, come on, tell me the answer for case 4. Speed will increase or decrease? Negative, positive, still decreases. Now you will again say, sir, what about the magnitude? You can say that here speed will decrease at a rate of 2 meters per second in 1 second. Matlab, if you're having 10 meter, let's say if you're having 20 meters per second at some time, after 1 second, the speed will become 18. After 1 second, speed will become 16. After again 1 second, it will become 14. In this case, if you're having speed as 20, 1 second, 16, second, 12, again third second, it will become 8. Like this, it will decrease. All right, guys, I hope you have understood this. So please don't get confused with this magnitude of acceleration. If you're having A1 is less than A2, that doesn't mean speed will decrease. First, you have to see whether speed is increasing or decreasing. So the rate of change will change. There'll be change in the rate of change with the changed value of acceleration. All right. So I hope everyone is clear. Everybody understood this? Ritvika, magnitude does not matter. Only the sign. Yeah, correct. Magnitude will say what is the rate. What is the rate at which it is decreasing or increasing. Direction will say what is the direction. The sign will say what is the direction. Ritvika, I hope you are clear now. Ritvika is asking, magnitude does not matter, only the sign matters. Is it correct, sir? No, ऐसा कहने का मतलब नहीं है, समझना ऐसे आपको. Magnitude will tell at what rate speed is increasing or decreasing. The sign will say in which direction it is going on. ठीक है? The sign of the acceleration will tell you in which direction the acceleration is applied. But the magnitude will tell at what rate, if that velocity is changing, will change. ठीक है? बहुत बढ़िया. चलिए. So time है ना अभी? Okay, 8 मिनट बचा है क्या? कुछ और क्वेश्चन पूछता हूं तो. Okay, let me ask you a very simple question. I don't want to start any new topic here. I thought of starting equation of motion today. but since most of you didn't know the basic differentiation and integration, I have like gone very slow today. No problem. Next class में हम लोग आगे पढ़ेंगे. Please try to get the answer for this, guys. If x is equal to 4t square plus 3t plus 1, ठीक है? Find first. This is a simple practice question, बच्चा लोग. Velocity at t is equal to 3 seconds. Question number 2. Find acceleration at t is equal to 3 seconds. Third, find average velocity at, between 2 seconds and 4 seconds. 4, find average acceleration between 2 seconds and 4 seconds. Now answer this. X as a function of t is given to you. What is x? Where x is position from origin. In motion in 1D, if I don't specify that this is motion in straight line, consider, and if I write x, consider motion is going on along x direction. Okay? Come on, guys. I'm sure you can answer this aram se. So please try to get the answer for this one. I have got an answer from Meghna. Very good, bacha. So Meghna is the first one to answer for the first question. Vishwa has answered for the first one, but both of them are having different answers. तो किसी ना किसी एक का तो गलत है पक्का, या हो सकता है दोनों का गलत है. Both of you can't be correct. So please check your answer. Both of you, please check your answer. One of you has committed some mistake. See, x as a function of t is given to you. How will you get velocity at t is equal to 3 seconds? So t is equal to 3 seconds. That means we have to find instantaneous velocity. And what is the formula for instantaneous velocity? Dx by dt. So find out dx by dt. Put the value of t as 3. Get the value of velocity. Aishwarya answered. Tarak Datta has answered. Jhansi has answered. Chalo, dekhte hain. Guys, look at the board carefully. I'm going to solve this right now. Jaldi se dhyan se likhna. First part, velocity will be written as dx by dt. It will give us 8t plus 3. Guys, if you have any doubt, please write that. Differentiation of 4t square is 8t. Differentiation of 3t is 3. And differentiation of 1 is motichur ka laddu. So laddu likha. Okay? Now find out velocity at t is equal to 3 seconds. So put the value of t as 3. So 8 into 3 plus 3. That means 27 meter per second. This is the answer. Okay? Very good. Now what is the acceleration at t is equal to 3? A can be written as dv by dt. So d by dt of v. V is what? 8t plus 3. Differentiate this part. 8 only. What is the meaning of this a as 8? Guys, please answer. If you are having a is equal to 8, what is the meaning of this? That means acceleration is constant. Here, acceleration is independent of time. Acceleration is independent of time. That means acceleration does not depend on time. So acceleration is constant here. So acceleration at all the time, a at t is equal to 3 seconds or 4 seconds or 5 seconds will be 8 meter per second square. Alright guys, very good. Tell me what will be the average velocity between 2 seconds and 4 seconds. Average velocity, कैसे लिखते हो? Final position minus initial position. Add 2 and 4. So x4 minus x2 divided by, what is the time? 4 minus 2. What is the value of x at 4 seconds? Put the value of t as 4 in x. Put the value of t as 2 in x. Take the difference. क्या मिलेगा बताइए जल्दी से? 4 into 4 square plus 3 into 4 plus 1 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 1. divided by 2. Solve it, you'll get the answer. Now tell me guys, what will be the average acceleration? What will be the average acceleration? Come on guys, how will you get the answer here? Sir ji, acceleration is same. Everywhere the acceleration is same. Does that mean acceleration will be 8 meters per second square? Yes. If you don't agree, let me give you the answer. What will be the average acceleration, bachalo? Final velocity minus initial velocity divided by total time. That means v2 minus v1 by delta t. So v at 4 second minus v at 2 second divided by 4 minus 2. What is velocity at 4 second, bachalo? Put the value. Yeah, so what is the velocity at 4? V is what? 8t plus 3. So 8 into 4 plus 3 minus 8 into 2 plus 3 divided by 2. ठीक है बच्चा लोग, कितना करेक्ट आंसर आएगा बताइए जल्दी से. It will be 8 meter per second square. Acceleration is constant. Everywhere acceleration is constant. So what will be the average? That will be the same. 1. Let me write this. 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2 to 2. Sab jagah 2. What is the average value of these data? That is 2 only. Guys, click yes if you have understood this. Solve करो ना इसको. 8 into 4 plus 3. 3 शहीद हुए. 8 into 4 minus 2 divided by 2. 2 2 शहीद हुए. I'm getting 8 here. Ritvika, you might get that answer. I'm like least interested in that one. I have to just teach you this part. And thank you for answering. No problem. Guys, I hope you are clear with these concepts. Guys, click yes if you have understood this. Let me know if you have any doubt in today's class. I'll try to clarify that in next class. Guys, if you have any doubt in today's class, please let me know. I'll try to clarify that in next class. I'll try to take note of that. Ki I have to go in this way. Bacha log, if you have faced any difficulty in today's class, please let me know. Yes, you have class on Monday. What is there on Monday? कुछ change है क्या Monday को? Yeah, there will be a class on Monday. Don't worry. And on Monday we are going to play Kahoot. Kahoot पता है क्या? From Monday I'll try to introduce Kahoot 2 days a week, or at least when you're not having class na, in physics I'll post a Kahoot quiz to you and you have to attempt them. They'll be theoretical only. So in motion and 1D in physics बहुत सारे theoretical concepts हैं and there'll be so many misconceptions. ठीक है? No, मैं ही लूँगा. मेरा class मैं ही लूँगा. So there's so many misconceptions that are there in mechanics because you have studied the basic of mechanics, but right, basic of kinematics. And you guys must have developed some kind of concepts in your head. So that has to be brushed up. That has to be verified. So I'll add interesting doubts, interesting theoretical concepts in Kahoot quiz, and you have to play that. All right. And I'll try to clarify them. So thank you, bacha log. Thank you for attending the class. Stay safe, stay healthy. And as I say, enjoy Madi. Bye-bye guys. Take care.